Hello, new Scratchers. This is a guide to Scratch and how to basically start using Scratch and the basics and some other stuff about it too. So first you're going to want to go to scratch.mit.edu in your search bar and you should see something that looks like this. You're going to want to click Join Scratch here. Put in your username. So whatever username you'd like. It can be Bob. No, it can't be Bob, it's too short. Bob 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Any username you want. Now once you've put in a username and a password, click Next. Choose a country you live in. Years you were born. I'm not putting my real birthday. I'm just gonna put January. Eeny, meeny, miny, blah. Okay, 2002. I just put a random one. Then you put your gender, and then put your email. Now, once you've put in your email, click Create Your Account, and welcome to Scratch. You're now logged in. Blah, blah, blah. You should see something that looks like this. We'll say Welcome to Scratch right here, and you can click on the stuff to learn how to do stuff. If you click X, it will say what's happening. This is where you'll see updates from Scratchers you follow. Check out some Scratchers you might like to follow. If you click on this, it will show you the Scratch Welcoming Committee, where you can view projects by all sorts of different Scratchers. If you click on your messages, you'll see Welcome to Scratch. After you make projects and comments, you'll get messages about them here. Go explore and make a project. So let's create our first project. Notice that when you click Create, it brings up a little project editor. Let's see the basics, shall we? This is the green flag. When you click this when green flag clicked block is run. The stop sign right here normally stops the project. This is where all your sprites are. Sprites are basically, we can choose a baseball here. And these two sprites all have different code. And they can do different things. So once you have done that, you can start coding. Let's start with a simple project. Go to the yellow events category right here and see this when green flag click block. Just drag it out right anywhere over here. Yeah, by the way, I forgot to mention, this is the stage. And this is where your project runs and stuff. So when green flag clicked, this block will run when we click the green flag. But there's nothing under it. So how about we try this? Click on the purple looks category and see where it says change color effect by 25. Drag that below the when green flag clicked block. And so now let's click it. See how the cat changed color? Now you're probably like, well, I want to click the green flag again, but it doesn't change color after that, no matter how many times you click it. That's because it's only running this once, and when you click the green flag, it resets to the color. So you can delete blocks by dragging them over here. Let's make it so that when you click the cat, it changes color. Now see, when we click the green flag, the color resets as normal. But since the green flag block isn't there, no code was run when the green flag was hit. Now, when the sprite is clicked, so when you click the cat, change the color effect by 25. Now watch. Boom, 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 boom. Isn't that cool? And we can make it do even more stuff. So let's drag the start sound meow block. Let's record a sound. Boom! You can use these sliders to change to get rid of the little parts where you didn't talk. Let's name it Boom. And we can change this little drop down here to be the sound we just recorded. Boom. Now, let's go to the reminder. This is in the pink sound category. Now, if you click in the blue motion category, not the teal sensing category, let's drag this turn right 15 degrees block here too. Your code should look like this. Watch what happens when we click it. Now notice how when we click the green flag, our direction doesn't reset back to being right. We do that manually. So we'll grab this point direction 90, which will make it point right. Go to the yellow events category again and drag the when green flagged block onto it so they snap together. And now, click the green flag. It's back to normal, yay! And there's some other fun stuff you can do. Change size by 10. Watch this. Boom! You may notice, if we click the green flag, it's still big. So we may be like, oh, well, I want it to reset the size. Wouldn't it just do that automatically? Scratch does not do that. So you also have to do this manually with the block. Set size to 100 in some books. And now, we click the flag. You can also share your project, but you have to confirm your email first. So go to whatever email service you use and confirm it. And then you can click the share button to share your projects. So yeah, this is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!